Hey guys, welcome to my channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex without any experience using Forex automation with the help of expert advisors and robots. Guys, this video is again about EFTPA. There is nothing new. This is just the growing of account that I'm just about to show. Uh, Let me just drag it down a bit. I have uploaded a couple of videos from the same account earlier, and this is from the same. You can just check it out. It is my live account. Okay, so this is one trade that is going on right now. I told about EFTPA earlier, that EFTPA I have been trying, testing and trading since February 2021 this year, and this is one of the best, one of the most consistent, and my personal choice. So, and it has inbuilt news filter as well, and it is a trend based robot which takes buy and sell orders in case if the trend is not confirmed. If the trend is confirmed, it used to take the trades in that kind of direction. It works best on H1 time frame, and it works very good on gold as well. However, I don't personally trade on gold, but I do have traded a bit, and I have uploaded all those details and the reports in the Google Drive, and the link of that Google Drive is there in the description. So you can just check it out. You can see all the reports from mostly are from real accounts, real, and whether it is demo or real, all are live. Like, I'm not doing back testing or something like that. I'm trading in real market, and everything is in front of you. Most of the reports are of real account. You can just check it out in the Google Drive link that is there in the description. And along with that, I have uploaded a couple of videos earlier of this particular EA, and all those video links are also there in the description. You can just check it out. So let's go. And the people who have not seen my previous videos, so let me start it from the scratch once again. This is something that we have started with on 13th of September. Today is 29th of October. Okay, so it's just like 1 week behind, and we'll be completing 2 months with this account. I have a couple of other accounts as well where I'm running this year, but somehow just creating the same videos every week and just putting the link over there in the description, it is just creating a lot of links there in the description. So like what I will do, that maybe I will run it for another 2-3 weeks, and then I will upload the video on that, so that the video links would be limited and would be more fruitful and more meaningful, in fact. Okay, so this 13th of September we started with, and this is just not about like 2 months or something. I have uploaded a couple of videos since February, March. You can just check it out, the Google link, and you will find whatever you want to see over there, like along with the reports. Okay, so from 13th of September we started with 1012. I personally prefer or suggest to trade with at least 1000 US dollars, in case if you're trading with any EA. If you're trading manually, it's up to you whether you want to trade with 300, 400, 500 or whatever. In case if you can't afford that kind of amount, then it's better to trade with cent account or either in demo account. Okay, I'm talking about something that if you are trading manually. Okay, and if you're using any EA in standard account, at least 1000 US dollars, preferably between 1200 to 1500 for any EA. It's not about this EA, and this is my suggestion. It's not something that you need to accept or to follow, but it is something that I personally suggest. Okay, so we started with the 13th of September, and let's go from here. I'm sharing you each and every trade, and okay, so what I believe, like, if you are constructing a house and if the foundation is strong, your house will remain strong straight for years, right? And in case if the foundation is not strong, then maybe it will shiver or maybe tamper during any earthquake or any unwanted natural disaster. So same applies to your account balance. If your account balance is healthy, maybe you will be able to sustain much better and much longer in the forex market. But the real thing is risk versus money management is the key, and you need to control your greed factor, because forex market is not something that everyone is making money, right? It is something that almost 98% of the people lose money, and out of those 90%, 98% of them are losing money repeatedly. They trade with smaller amount or maybe with the wrong strategy or something. So I personally suggest, like, in case if you are trading with a smaller amount, it's better to accumulate all that kind of amount and then trade with a larger amount that you can afford with. Okay, and trade considering risk versus money management, the lot size, the currency pair, the settings, and whatever. In case if you're doing through any EA, if you're trading manually as well, then you need to understand that how much loss that you can afford, and if you're putting some higher lot or lower lot, then how much impact it can make on your account balance or the margin. Okay, so we are already here now. It is just my personal opinion, guys. It is just a suggestion, since I have been trading from last 10 plus years, and from last 3 years I have been trading with automation, and this is what my personal suggestion is. So you need not to follow, but if you follow, I think like you will not lose anything. And keep your expectation at the minimum if possible, because forex market, as I told you, that only 2% of the people make money, and the best forex traders that are in the market, that are called professional traders, they are just making 5 to 8% average monthly. Okay, in case if you are making 10%, then you are much better, but it should be consistent. It's not something that you are making 100% of the amount that you have deposited in a month, and after the month, the first day, you just lose all the amount. Because the sooner your account will grow, there are great chances, because you are using that kind of risk appetite to grow that kind of account, and it's a high probability that in case if the market reverses, because it doesn't care whether it's you or anyone, right? Forex market is not something where they're providing you money for free. You are trading on leverage. Just try to understand that. You are just by depositing, like in case if you are choosing a leverage of 500, it means that you are trading, your investment is just $1 and you're trading on 500 US dollars. Same applies in case if if you're trading with $100, just multiply it with 500. So just understand the kind of profitability in case if it is in your favor, and in case if it is not in your favor, just understand the risk involved if the market is going against you. Okay, so guys, we made a profit of 647.53 since 13th of September, and I think that's pretty good. And only this trade is going on, and I have just created a report of this as well. You can see the same trade, floating PL 0.64. Okay, so it is not something that like it is coming down now. Okay, so this is the same thing. Just let me start it from here. Okay, 1012 deposit, and this is the same thing that you have just seen in the account history, but this is a report that I have just created, and you can just check it out, like what kind of drawdown is there, absolute or relative or maximum, or whatever you want to see is there. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it for the day. And my other account where I am running EFTP, maybe I will be able to create videos maybe in next 2-3 weeks, or maybe at least like 1 to 2, so that we can have some gap in between. Otherwise, I used to provide the link of all the videos in the description, and number of links of the same account may not create that impact. Okay, so it's better that I will create the video sometime later, and then I will include that kind of link, and I will remove the links of that particular account of the same repeated videos. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. It's almost the weekend. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. In case if you have any query, you can contact me via email or telegram. The details are there in the description. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.